Hello, TikTokers. Welcome to Real Law Talk. This is for my New York followers, the entire state of New York, because this applies statewide. New York has something called the State Central Register. It is a central register of parents who have been, or caretakers, who have been indicated for child abuse. So, what happens? There's a CPS investigation. Sometimes it goes to court, sometimes it doesn't. It doesn't necessarily have to go to actual family court. It can simply be an indicated case. What does indicated mean? It means your parent's name is put on what's called the Child Maltreatment Register. Sounds crazy, right? The Child Maltreatment Register is a list of parents who have been indicated for child abuse. What does that mean for parents? It's an administrative thing. Nobody ever calls you to court. They send you a letter. But what happens is, if the parent is involved in any job that requires medical, childcare, healthcare, the entities that employ them in these areas do background checks. And it comes back, oh, you were indicated in child abuse in 1997. We can't hire you. So in these fields, it affects parents greatly. If you receive a letter saying you've been indicated for child abuse, often nothing happens. The CPS worker is long gone. Do not ignore it. Contact a local attorney in New York City. We handle those cases. Outside of the city, contact an OCFS lawyer. It's called the Office of Children and Family Services, and fight it at a hearing. If you don't, and you get on that maltreatment register, you can have a very difficult time having jobs. And no one wants to be on a list. It's a list of parents who've been indicated for child abuse. And no one needs that, and no one should be on that list. Because these often, in New York City, ACS uses this, if they don't have enough evidence for court, they always say, oh, he's indicated for child abuse, put him on the list. That's how they do it. So do not ignore these letters when you get them in the mail. And that's Real Law Talk.